अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, होप यू ऑल आर फाइन। वेलकम टू माय चैनल। स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम करेंगे एक्सरसाइज 3.5 क्वेश्चन नंबर 5। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 है हमारे पास, इफ v varies directly as product of xy cube, so v is directly proportional to xy cube and inversely as z square, so v inversely proportional to z square. So we get v x by x by cube over z square. So we get v is equal to kx cube over x by cube over z square, which is equation 1. Now we are given with values of v is equal to 27 when x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 6. We put value of v, y and z in equation 1 and we get value of k. And we find the value of k, which is 7 by 8. Put value of k in equation 1, we get v is equal to 7 by 8 x by cube over z square. So now we have to find the value of v when x is equal to 6, y is equal to 2 and z is equal to 3. Put all these values in equation 2, we get v is equal to 7 by 8 into 6 into 2 cube over 3 square. So we get v is equal to 14 by 3. So question number 5 was हमारा complete. Hopefully आपको समझ आ गया होगा. If you have any doubt you can ask in comment section. Thank you.